My name is Yuko Munakata. I'm a professor at the University of California, Davis in the Department of Psychology and the Center for Mind and Brain. My research explores how people exert self-control over their impulsive thoughts and actions, and why people vary in their self-control. Why do some people check their phone as soon as it buzzes, even if they don't want to, while other people can resist that impulse? And why do these variations in self-control from very early in life predict outcomes in health, wealth, education, and relationships? Many theories, including mine, have traditionally focused on cognitive control capacity to inhibit impulses. Some of us have a little capacity, some of us have a lot, and these differences remain stable across life to support our success. But in many situations, individuals may have the relevant cognitive control capacity, but they adaptively choose to not engage it, to not fight the temptation to check their phone. Cognitive control is effortful, so people weigh things like whether it's likely to pay off. These experiences can shape habits that influence how much effort it takes to engage control, which in turn influences further decisions about whether or not to engage it. People may struggle with self-control when their environments mismatch the environments that they grew up in and adapted to. At IAS, I'll be working with Willem Frankenhaus to explore how children adapt in response to adversity. We'll be testing the hypothesis that adversity accelerates the developmental shift from exploration to exploitation. Young children tend to explore, to try out a lot of different options. Think about the proverbial kid in the candy store. While older children and adults tend to exploit, honing in on familiar and rewarding options. Think about always ordering the same meal at your favorite restaurant. This accelerated shift from exploration to exploitation might be an adaptive response to adversity, preparing individuals for earlier independence. But it may also help to explain why children who face adversity early in life face later challenges. The interdisciplinary expertise at IAS will be crucial for our project. The effects of early adversity are studied across disciplines. Explore-exploit trade-offs are relevant across domains and across individuals, groups, and species. And the methods for our project will also draw across disciplines. I hope that the results from our work will help us to better understand and support children and their trajectories in the face of adversity.